Texas property taxes don't have to be confusing once you know the timelines. In this video, I walk you through the Texas property tax timeline for 2026, breaking down the most important dates every homeowner should have on their radar. Here's what we'll cover. January 1st, appraisal date. Why this matters more than you think. April, when appraisal notices are mailed out to homeowners. May 1st, homestead filing deadline. May 15th, property tax protest deadline, or 30 days after notice. June and July, hearings and reviews. October, tax rates finalized. November, tax bills issued. January 31st, 2027, final deadline to pay without penalties. If your property taxes are collected monthly and held in an escrow account, your loan servicer will handle paying them when they're due. It's still a good idea to review your tax statement to confirm the amount paid matches what was owed. And don't skip your annual property tax protest. Protesting every year can help keep your taxes lower and more manageable over time. Whether you're a current homeowner, a first-time buyer, or planning a move to Texas, understanding this timeline can save you money and stress, especially when it comes to protesting your value and planning ahead. If you have questions about property taxes, homestead exemptions, or how this impacts buying or selling a home in Texas, I'm happy to help. Subscribe for more Texas homeowner tips. Reach out if you want guidance specific to your situation. Oh, you've got this. And a little knowledge goes a long way when it comes to protecting your investment.